Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick, simple upgrade on my BMW 535i. It's a 2016 and it's part of the F10 platform. And what we're doing specifically is we're upgrading the puddle lights. We're using these LED projector lights to upgrade the car, make it look a little more bougie. So inside of the kit, you get 2 projector lights. So if you want to replace all on the car, you need to get 2 kits. So you'll need 2 for the front, 2 for the rear, and then what comes in the kit is these projector lights that give you this kind of puddle light when you open the door, or you can get this. So let's just jump right into the video. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, and get right into it. All right guys, so I went ahead and I removed the plastic protective wrapper off of the box, and the first thing to notice is the model number. I will include a link to this in the description of the video, so you can go to Amazon and purchase these if you want to. They also sell imitation ones on eBay or AliExpress. I prefer to use the ones made originally from BMW, just to be on the safe side. There are 2 projectors. It comes with this BMW symbol installed in the projector, but you can swap it out for the M BMW racing symbol if you want to. I prefer to use this. I mean, it's an M Sport package car, but it's still a BMW. It's not an M5 or anything like that. So I'll just stick to this for now. When you open the box, you get 2 projectors. So you get one for your passenger side door, one for your driver side door, and I bought 2 of them. So you have 1 set for the front, 1 set for the rear. And then if you look on the inside, you can see these little projectors here. This is what you would swap out into the unit if you wanted to go from the regular BMW symbol to the M symbol, okay? The other thing that I have is this trim toolkit. I'll also have a link to this in the description of the video. It comes in very, very handy. But when you open it up, it has 5 different tools that you can use to do anything on your car, and it always comes in handy to have something like this around. So to take out the existing projector on the door, you don't have to disassemble the door or anything. It's very easy to get it out. But you know, I have big, thick fingers, so I prefer to use like a nice small trim tool to kind of push the projector that's in the door up and then pull it down, make it a lot easier to get it out. So let's just jump right in. This shouldn't take that long to do the install, and then we'll see the transformation. So next thing we got to do is wait for the sun to go down, and then we see what it looks like. So that's next.